Hey, hello there. My name is Christoph and I'm 39, working for Volvo, already 6 years in China for Volvo these years. And I just finalized my course about inner foundation, self-empowerment and life purpose. And I'm not standing here with this big smile as a fake smile, but I really feel wonderful today. It's my last day, and I came here exactly because I was like feeling excited, really totally burned out in my life. I didn't know anymore where to go to, what was the best choice I would make, and everything was a little bit foggy. So work is going good, but it was exhausting me. So I had two choices: or I'm gonna keep on going the way I'm going and I'm gonna crash, or I take it in my hands. And to be honest, by reading the book of Luke, the Inner Revolution book, I got very, very much inspired by what he was saying and his travel in that book. That is kind of things that I also want to do. But of course, if you don't have a purpose to travel, it doesn't bite you and you don't take that step. So I wanted to take that step. So I said, like, instead of only the reading, I go to Luke and I contact him personally. And he invited me to this course of Inner Revolution and self-empowerment. I must say, it's wonderful. It's a transformation as I can feel. When I had in the beginning no idea what to do, now I have tools, I have ideas, I know where I want to go to. I feel much stronger already only after 8 days, and I feel this is the start. This is the start. My engine is starting now with new energy, new visions to go where I want to go. So I know there is a long way to go. I have been touched deeply during the course about my weaknesses, also I saw my strengths, which I need to use. It's something that I recommend this to everybody, because we all have things to work on. I'm pretty sure, guys. Don't wait till it is too late. I feel it now that this was necessary for me. And I'm still so happy about it. I'm the most happy man in the world, I think, right now. This is my feeling. I cannot describe it in another way. Thank you for listening, and maybe I see you soon on my path.